Cal Poly Engineering offers many wonderful experiences for faculty, staff, and students that you don't see at other institutions. Our focus on Learn by Doing enables faculty to actively engage in applied research with undergraduate and with master students both in and out of the classroom, something that's unique to undergraduate institutions.
The teacher-scholar model is where you interweave your research with your teaching.
When students come into the classroom and they are expecting just to be taught the ABCs of the subject, you can say, well, we're going to do that, but we're also going to talk about my work or the field's work, and you can be part of that here at Cal Poly.
So it's really about bringing research and industry and all of these things that will be part of their future careers into their learning.
To support our faculty, we provide college-led orientation and mentoring, along with access to extensive on-campus resources for both teaching and applied research. Our focus on undergraduate education allows faculty members to focus on aspects of their job that are fulfilling to them, contributing to a vibrant environment for learning and for scholarship.
Cal Poly College of Engineering has a lot of mechanisms to help faculty develop professionally.
We're very encouraging of faculty members going to professional conferences, presenting their work.
There's a center for teaching and leadership where you can take classes, you can do trainings.
We also have workshop opportunities that help you with improving your teaching and keeping you focused on your research.
Every year, as you are working towards tenure, at Cal Poly, you get a review. During those review processes, during those mentorship opportunities, we do a really good job of making sure that it's clearly communicated what exactly the expectations are.
I appreciate that several faculty members have sort of voluntarily taken on a mentor role for me.
Through mentorship and through the review process, it's generally a really supportive environment.
The California State University system educates close to 500,000 students in California annually. Our college served 6,000 students in 2022 through our 14 undergraduate engineering degree programs and 10 master's degree programs.
Cal Poly Engineering has a really big focus on diversity, equity, and inclusion.
There's a focus on what are we doing that is DEI related in our teaching, in our research, and in our service.
Cal Poly student population is quickly diversifying. In fall 2023, 32% of our engineering first-year students identified as women, and 25% of incoming students identified as Hispanic or Latino.
Every faculty member has the ability to do DEI projects in their area of interest.
So for me specifically, I'm really interested in diversity within design, within engineering design, and essentially designing for diversity and making sure that products that come onto the market work well for everyone.
In general, primarily undergraduate institutions contribute to a more equitable STEM pipeline, and Cal Poly's part of that. Our university ranks in the top 100 schools for social mobility and is included in the ASEE listing of the top 50 universities that award bachelor's degrees to both women and to students from historically underserved populations nationwide. Engagement with undergraduate research projects has been shown to help retain STEM students, so we're committed to offering research experience for both our students and for our faculty. Our goal is to prepare a diverse group of students for careers in engineering and computer science so they can make a difference while sharing their unique perspectives, both in the classroom and in the workforce. Cal Poly has positive relationships with partners in engineering and computer science industries. Every department actively collaborates with its industry advisory board, making it possible for faculty and students to access state-of-the-art tools and current engineering practices.
I have always embraced the Cal Poly Learn by Doing philosophy. I think of all the schools I've gone to, it's the best philosophy for helping the students really understand what it is they are doing, what their major is, and what they're going to be doing when they graduate.
A faculty position at Cal Poly allows you to focus on hands-on learning and lab activities while creating meaningful mentoring relationships with students and colleagues. It's through these relationships that we contribute to the future of engineering, building a strong community of scholars and learners.
We know our students' names when they graduate, and many of our alumni stay in touch with us.
We're looking forward to creating a sustainable and diverse university community that reflects and serves the population of California with the help of our talented faculty.